Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can add Tumblr blog images to Google Drive automatically. So let's take an example that you are a blogger or you are a fashion designer or a travel expert or you are a chef or you are into any other business who is uploading your business related images on your Tumblr account. Now you want all those images to be saved into your Google Drive folder automatically as a backup. For this, you need to create a connection between your Tumblr account and Google Drive. So the idea here is that whenever you upload a new image in your Tumblr account, you create a new post into your Tumblr account, automatically the same post should be uploaded to your Google Drive folder. So we are going to create a connection between Tumblr and Google Drive, and in order to create a connection we will be using a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. Welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Tumblr to Google Drive Integration. Tumblr to Google Drive integration. Okay, here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever we upload a new image to our Tumblr account, automatically the same image should be saved to our Google Drive specific folder. So open this trigger window and choose the application name as Tumblr over here. Now select the trigger event as new post in my blog. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Tumblr. Now as I am already logged into my Tumblr account, it is asking Pabbly Connect requests the following permissions to access your account. So let's click on continue and give away the access over here. Just because the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful, and now the Tumblr account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the type of the post to return, which type of post you want to create. So I want to upload an image, that means a photo. So I'll be selecting the type as photo over here. Here you have to select your blog name, that is Pabbly in my case, automatically captured. Now before clicking on save and send test request, we are going to upload a new image in our Tumblr account. Just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. Okay, so let's move back to Tumblr account. And here we are going to upload a new image. Let's upload the image from the system. And I'll be just moving to the pictures section. And I'm selecting this dress design image. Okay, so the image is ready over here. And I'm going to give the caption as dress design. Okay, and let's click on post now. So here we can see that a new post is created. The new image is uploaded over here. And here we can find the name as dress design. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received and all the details related to the new post are captured over here. When we scroll down, here we can find the blog title as Pabbly, and here we can find the date and time, And when we scroll down, here we can find the title that we have given as dress design. And here we have got the URL of the image. And here in the body, we have got the URL in the HTML format. So we have to just extract the URL from this particular content. For that, scroll down, come to the Actions tab, choose the application name as text formatter. Select the action event as text basic formatting. Click on connect. Now here we need to give the string that needs to be extracted. So we have to map the body over here. This one. Okay. Here we have to just select the transform as extract URL. So from this particular data, the URL will be extracted. Okay. The link of the image will be extracted. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here in the response, we have received the URL. Okay. Now to upload a file or to save a file in Google Drive, we need the extension separately. So we have to just remove this extension from this particular URL. For that, come to this plus sign and click on add action step. Choose the application name as text formatter once again. Select the action event as split text. Click on connect. Now here we have to map the text that needs to be splitted. That is the response of our second step. Okay. Here we have to give the separator. So I want this JPG to be extracted from this particular URL. So I'm giving the separator as just a dot over here and the segment index as last. And let's click on save and send test request. And here in the response, we have got the result as JPG file extension. So now we are going to save this particular file in our Google Drive specific folder. So again, click on this plus sign add action step. Choose the application name as Google Drive. Select the action event as upload a file. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. And click on connect with Google Drive. Now it is asking me to choose an account. In which account you want to save this particular file. So I am selecting my folder over here. Sorry, my account name over here. Pabbly Connect Drive wants additional access to your Google account. So let's click on continue and give away the access. Authorization successful, and now the Google Drive account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to map the URL that needs to be uploaded in our Google Drive folder. So we have already got the URL from the text formatter from the second step. So we are going to map this URL. Here we have to give the folder ID in which particular folder you want to save this particular file. So I'll just take you to my Google Drive folder. So this is my Google Drive account where I have created a folder named Tumblr Images in my Google Drive. My drive. So we are going to select the same folder name over here. For that we need the folder ID. So from the URL we are going to get the folder ID. Okay. So I'll be copying this URL from here and I'll be pasting the same URL over here. This is the folder ID. Okay. Now here we have to give the file name. So the file name will be the same name which we have given in the title of the image, that is dress design. Okay. So we have to just map the title, and here in the description it is mentioned enter file name. Files will be saved by the same name in your Google Drive. Please include the file extension with the file name. Okay. So we have got the file extension from the third step over here, JPG file. So we will be mapping this particular data over here, that is dot and then the JPG format. Okay. So the file name would be dressdesign.jpg. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means the same file is saved in our Google Drive folder. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can find the file as dressdesign.jpg. And I'll just open this particular file, the image. Okay, and here we can see that the correct image is saved. In this way, our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now, as we have created an automation between Tumblr and Google Drive, next time whenever you're going to upload a new image in your Tumblr account, automatically the same image will be saved to your Google Drive folder. So let's check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. So let's move to a Tumblr account and we are going to upload a new image from our system. And this time let us select this particular image and the title as latest design. Okay, and let's click on post now. Okay, and here we can see that the new image is uploaded over here and we can find the name as latest design, the title as latest design. Now we are going to check our Google Drive folder. Let's close this window. We have to just refresh it. And now even after refreshing, we can't find the image saved over here just because the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. Okay, and after 3 to 4 minutes, we have got the image saved in our Google Drive folder named latestdesign.jpg. And I'll just open the image and here we can see that the correct image is saved over here. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. I'll just minimize this action step as well as the trigger window also. Okay, so first we have created an integration between Tumblr and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new image that you have uploaded in your blog in your Tumblr account. Then we have used the text formatter because we have got the link or the URL in the HTML format. And here we have used text formatter in the next action step one more time just because we need the file extension separately to save the file in Google Drive folder. And at last, using all these details, we have saved the same image to our Google Drive specific folder. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Tumblr and Google Drive using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.